Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome to Think Numerically. Let's grow together and share knowledge. In this video, we are going to understand how do we find approximation of a number or simply rounding of numbers. So before understanding what is rounding of numbers or approximation, let's first understand what is approximation or why do we round numbers. So for example, if I have been asked how many students are there in my class. So say for example, I will say about 200 students are there in my class. But are there exactly 200 students in my class? No, not exactly 200, but they are around 180 or something. Okay, not exactly 180 also. There are almost 178 students in my class. So here I have used three numbers: 200, 180 and 178. So the exact value of the students in my class is 178. 180 and 200 are its approximate value. So if my friend asks how many students are there in my class, so she doesn't want exact figure. So in that case I can say that, okay, chalo, in my class there are almost 200 students. But if somewhere we want to find the exact value of something or precise value of something, there we use the exact value. But if it is not required कि चलो अच्छा लगभग इतना वैल्यू है और लगभग इतना डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम मुंबई टू पुणे, in that case we use approximation. So here in this example, if you see 178, 180 and 200. So 180 is the nearest value to 178. So 180 is said to be nearby to the exact value, and 200 is also the rounded value, but it is not close by to 178. So whenever we round a number to nearest tens, it gives you the nearest approximate value. Now how do we round a number to its nearest tens, hundreds and thousands? So to round on any number, you have to remember the simple trick. So to remember the simple trick, there are two things you have to remember. One is weak numbers and strong numbers. There are some numbers which I have termed as weak numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are said to be weak numbers, and the remaining numbers from 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are said to be strong numbers. So just remember this: weak numbers are numbers less than 5 and strong numbers are numbers which are more than 5 and up to digit 9. So now there is a roller coaster. Okay, so and there is this vehicle going across the roller coaster. Okay, if this vehicle is strong enough to overcome the roller coaster, it will round ahead, but if it is not strong enough, it will slide down again. So some numbers which are weak, they will round down, they will go down again, and then there are some numbers which I have termed as strong numbers. They will go across the roller coaster and they will round up. So if any number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they will try to move across the roller coaster, but they will slide down, they will round down again to the down number. But if they are strong enough, like 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, they will round up to the roller coaster. So now to understand how do we round numbers to nearest tens, let's take an example. Rounding numbers to nearest tens. Say for example, I am taking the number 78. Now I have to round this number to nearest tens. So the first thing, I will find out which between which two tens number is this number lying between. So 78, it is between two tens number, which is 70 and 80. So there are two cases, like this number can either round down to 70 or it can round up to 80. So here whenever you have to round any number to nearest tens, you have to check the digit at the units place. So you have to check units digit. So here the units digit is 8. Now I have to ask one question. Ki acha 8. So is it a strong number or a weak number? It is a strong number. So as I have said, if it is a strong number, it will round up. So here 78 will round to 80. Now let's take one more example. 52. So here again I will first ask myself कि अच्छा चलो which two tens place it is between. So it is between 50 and 60. Now I have to check the digit at the units place. So digit at the units place is 2, which is a weak number. So it will round down to 50. So now we have to round the given numbers to nearest hundreds. So to round the number to nearest hundreds, first question I have to ask myself कि between which two hundreds digit numbers does this given number belong? So the number is 365. So this number is in between 300 and 400. Now to round the number to nearest hundreds, we have to check the digit which is before hundreds place. So we have to check the digit at the tens place. So tens digit I have to check. So the digit at the tens place is 6. It is a strong number. So when it is a strong number, it rounds up. So 365 will be rounded to 400. Now in this question 16,758, first I have to find out this given number is between which two hundreds place. So 16,000 will be as it is 16,758. So 758 is between 700 and 800. So this number is between 16,700 and 16,800. Now I have to round to hundreds digit. So I will check the digit at the tens place. 5. 5 is again a strong number. So it will round up. So here 16,758 will be rounded to 16,800. Now the same thing is for when you have to round it to nearest thousand. We will check the digit at the hundreds place. So hundreds digit we are going to check. Before doing that, we will check whether the given number is between which two thousands place. So 5,624 is in between 5,000 and 6,000. Now I will check hundreds digit. 100 digit is 6, which is a strong number. So it will be rounded up to 6,000. Now the second question 84,957. We have to check hundreds digit and where the number is between. So 84,957. So this number is in between 84,900 and 900 and 1000. So it is in between 84,900 and 85,000. So now I will check hundreds please. Hundreds digit is 9, which is again a strong number. So it will be rounded up to 85,000. That's it in this video. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.